Trying to get this water in. Drink water, pay your bills, buy sneakers. You know what I'm saying?
Whose world is this?
Taking over, hit the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks. Or fire you desire, but rock maybe flip. It's season, you never trip, get them early, you never miss, no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey, yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. It's been about a week since I uploaded anything, but it is what it is, man. I actually got this sneaker. You're gonna see it in the thumbnail. I actually got these Huaraches on release day, which were, I believe, the 9th. Yeah, July 9th, 2021. But I'm just now getting around to making a video. I actually had to get a new computer, so I couldn't do anything. Couldn't edit or do anything else until I purchased my new computer. So that's what I was waiting on. But anyway, if you're new around here and that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Subscribe to the channel, man. Join the movement, because that's what we're on. But anyway, these were an absolute must cop, man. I'm not in the business anymore of chasing releases. A lot of things that are coming out, I'm not particularly fond of. Like, a lot of people are just buying a lot of stuff, every release that comes out, because things are hard to come by these days. Sneakers are hard to buy these days. Things sell out that typically don't. Like, let's just say this Huarache came out a couple months ago, or however long ago it came out, and it sold out. It legit sold out. The Huarache that I'm going to show you today, I believe you may still be able to walk into a lot of places and purchase. I think a lot of resellers learned from that release that it probably doesn't have a bunch of resale value. So let's just leave it for people that actually want the sneakers. That's what I'm assuming. I don't know. I wanted these, and I want this sneaker here for personal. These just give me all OG vibes. I've never owned a Huarache outside of these, the ones that I just showed you, and the ones I'm about to show you now, just because it's nostalgic. It gives me a complete late 80s, early 90s vibe. I'm an 80s baby, and I had to have these. These remind me of the outfits of the early 90s and different things like that. Like a Saved by the Bell or a Fresh Prince, and all the like swooshy outfits was extremely colorful and different things like that. So I'll read off the size label, and you got the Nike Air Huarache, size 11.5. I'll talk about that in a minute. White, neon yellow, and magenta. So these are the magenta and neon yellow Huaraches. Get that size label there so you guys can read that if you want. And you got this like Nike sportswear box where it's, you got the stripes at the bottom and the orange top. Crack into this box. I've already obviously looked at these. I haven't worn them yet, but I probably will do it on foot in this video, because I never did a review on those either, because I wasn't really making videos at the time. I'll pull out both just because. I haven't tried them on, but I have looked at them. I think I actually posted a picture. I did. I posted a picture on IG when the day on release day. But man, absolutely beautiful. Sorry about the lighting. I know it probably washes this out a little bit, but I'll try to get a little closer to see if we can get some of the details in. Now, obviously, you got all of this Volt or neon yellow, whatever, however you want to describe this color. You have that all around the bottom of the booty, and that's what this sock liner is called, a booty. For those that don't know, it actually comes on Jordan 9s, I believe, as well, that Tinker Hatfield uses for that booty sock liner. But you also have the magenta purple. You got Nike debossed on the back heel tab there on your ankle support. and then obviously you got black on the medial and lateral side. Now, what a lot of people may not know, that this toe box, now the top up here is just a very, very, very thin, soft mesh, but all of this leather around the toe cap and up the side panels is extremely soft leather. Very, very soft. Very, very, like, it's tumbled to the touch. Not just like, it's not just sitting there tumbled, but when you push in on it, you definitely got that nursing home skin on there. Definitely got nursing home skin. You got the Air Huarache by Nike and the Huarache logo on the tongue. Black and neon yellow with the magenta surrounding it. All neon yellow. Inside it has Nike with a globe and international on the insole. I don't know if you'll be able to pick that up or see that, but it's in there. Black outsole, neon yellow Nike Air on the bottom. Very, very simple, but very, very, this is, like I said, this is more of a nostalgic pickup. I don't like a bunch of Huaraches. I don't like the all red, or I don't even really like the black and white ones. But these two were absolute must-haves for me. Sorry about, this is complete OG vibes. Like, that's all this is. You throw on a pair of joggers with these and you're clean. Or some sweat shorts or something like that. Your outfit is set. Like, there's not a bunch of things that you need to do with this, man. People my age, maybe even a little younger, maybe a little older, definitely would understand what I'm talking about. But these are just a vibe. That's all these are. And I had to have these. Now, talking a little bit about sizing, what I was saying on the box, I am a true 11. But for these to fit, these fit extremely comfortable if you go a half size up. I don't usually half size up in any sneaker, but 11 and a half fits extremely comfortable on me. So I would recommend going a half size up if you buy the Huarache. I don't know if it's because of the booty sock liner or what, or how it's cut. I have no idea, because all of this up here is soft. So you would think that it would give a little bit more, but I would definitely, at least for my foot, everybody's foot is different. Half size up for me fits extremely comfortably. And the sneaker itself is extremely comfortable. So I'm probably going to get into it on foot real quick, man. I appreciate y'all watching another one of my videos. This is the Nike Air Huarache magenta and neon yellow. Yeah, and that's it, man. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below how y'all feel about these. And hopefully if you like it, if you see this video and you be like, man, I might want to go for those, hopefully they're sitting in your city, so you can go grab you a pair. I'm out of here. OVE!